Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the coolant in your Subaru Impreza. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid severe burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Gather all your tools and the correct Subaru-approved coolant. Wearing safety glasses and gloves is highly recommended throughout this entire process to protect yourself from any splashes or chemicals. Let's get started. Now let's drain the old coolant. First, position a large drain pan, ideally with a capacity of at least 2 gallons, directly beneath your radiator. You'll find the drain plug, often a plastic petcock, at the bottom of the radiator. Carefully open this plug. Also, remove the radiator cap to allow air to enter the system, which helps the old coolant drain completely and efficiently. Allow it to drain fully. Once the old coolant is drained, close the drain plug. Now, fill your radiator with distilled water. Start the engine, turn your heater to its highest setting, and let it run until it reaches normal operating temperature. This circulates the water through the entire system. Then, drain this water. Repeat this flushing process until the water coming out is completely clear. Finally, refill the system with the specified Subaru coolant mixture. With the new coolant in, it's time to bleed any trapped air. Start your engine with the radiator cap off. As the engine warms, you'll see air bubbles escape. Gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to help dislodge stubborn air pockets. Top off the coolant as needed. Once the engine cools, recheck the coolant level in both the radiator and the overflow reservoir. Drive your Impreza, then recheck the levels one more time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.